Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the if and else. First of all we see the if statement. A one-way if statement executes the statements if the condition is true. Python has several types of selection statement. One-way if statements, two-way if else statement, nested if else statement, multi-way if else statements, and conditional expression. A one-way if statement executes an action if and only if the condition is true. The syntax for a one-way if statement is if and boolean expression, then write the statement. If the boolean expression evaluates to true, the statement in the if block are executed. For example, we see the if radius greater than equal to 0, then area is equal to radius into math.py, and the print the area of the circle and the radius. Now we see the two-way if else statement. A two-way if else statement decides which statements to execute based on the whether condition is true or false. A one-way if statement takes an action if the specified condition is true. If the condition is false, nothing is done. But if you want to take one or more alternative action when the condition is false, you can use two-way if else statement. Here is the syntax for a two-way if else statement. First of all, we write if and the boolean expression, then write the statement, then else and write the statement. Now we see the nested if and multi-way if else statement. One if statement can be placed inside another if statement to form a nested if statement. The statement in an if or if else statement can be any legal Python statement including another if or if else statement. The inner if statement is said to be nested inside the out if statement. The inner if statement can contain the another if statement. In fact, there is no limit to the depth of the nesting. For example, the following is a nested if statement. If I greater than k and if j greater than k, then print I and j are greater than k, else print I is less than or equal to k. The if j greater than k statement is nested inside the if I greater than k statement. Now we see the one program of if statement practically. First of all, we write the number is equal to integer in the bracket row input, then other bracket, and write enter the number and the complete the bracket and hit enter, and let it gives the value 45 and write if number modulo 5 is equal to 0, and then colon print high 5. If number modulo 2 equal to 0, and then colon print high even, and hit the enter. Here we have the value high 5, because it is divisible by 5 but not divisible by 2. Thank you, friends.